Architect Bankim Dave.
Runner-up for the Interior Hospitality and Leisure category is Architect Krishnan Parvez.
We have the winner as Architect Amir Sharma.
Congratulations, ladies.
Good evening, everybody. Apologies by Mr. Amir for not attending the ceremony. We would like to thank all the jury members and Century Ply for acknowledging our work. Thank you.
God bless you both. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think it is very important to have firms, larger firms like Century Ply coming forward to give such awards for young architects.
I think awards like this, the competitions like this, gives an opportunity to the designers to reflect their ideas, to put it on paper, present them, and perhaps the exhibition of such awards or the competitions would benefit the society at large.
What this award does is that it recognizes excellence in design, and you'll be amazed how in every field of life today, whether it's a BMW, whether it's a Ferragamo bag, whether it's a Rosenthal vase, design plays a pivotal role. And I think that if we can get more people sort of involved in what I call responsible design, we can have a truly sustainable planet.
All awards are ultimately, I think there is one something that we need to achieve is to encourage people. You know, you win, you lose, but in the bargain you get to see a lot, you get to meet a lot of people, you get to hear the opinions and views of so many people, and overall there is a growth.
Himalayan, the natural mineral water that truly originates from the Himalayas. Live natural. When it comes to your favorite movies, nothing should stop you from getting higher.
Do you accept the new parameters?
That's what my neighbor said. The higher you go, the better it gets. Presenting Hollywood in HD with stunning pictures in 1080i and awesome 5.1 digital surround sound. Only on Movies Now.
Moving on to our next category, which is Interiors Retail. The judges for this category included Architect Atul Desai, Architect Prem Nath, and Architect Shakti Parmar.
Please show your appreciation as we welcome onto stage Architect Nitin Kilawala
and Architect Kapil Bhalla.
Also esteemed members of the panel of jurists for these most pioneering awards.
The winner for Interior Retail category is Architect Lalita Tharani and Mujib Ahmed.
We have a winner for the Interior Retail category, Mr. Architect Aman Agarwal and Architect Siddharth Gain.
The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Interiors Residential. May we call upon Architect Kamal Malik and Architect Kanaram Kulleria from Padam Interiors, and Mr. Conrad Egbert, Group Editor, ITP Publishing India, on stage. The judges for this category were also Architect Atul Desai, Architect Prem Nath, and Architect Shakti Parmar.
The runner-up for the interior residential category is Architect Beru Jangid. The winner for the interior residential category is Kanai Gandhi, Nimesh Shah, Shresh Kashyap, and Sonali Shah.
May I request one of the volunteers from the magazine to kindly come up on stage and accept this award on their behalf, and then make sure that it's delivered to them in good time. May we have a volunteer from the magazine, please? I'd like to call on stage Varasi Kulleria from Narasi Associates and Mr. Rahul Gore. The judges for this category included Architect Nitin Killawala, Architect Rahul Gore, and Architect Kapil Bhalla.
And we'd also like to call on stage Mr. Niranjan Madolkar, the Executive Editor of ITP Publishing India.
Ladies and gentlemen, the runner-up for the interior commercial category is Architect Kapil Agarwal and Architect Nikhil Kant from Spaces Architect. Okay, the winner for interior commercial category is Architect Arun Nalpat.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd love for you to please be a little more enthusiastic than you've been thus far. Please show your appreciation for Mr. Ajay Baldeva, Executive Director, Technical Century Ply. May I ask you to please take over and say a few words.
Good evening, everybody. It's a proud privilege for me, on behalf of my company, to honoring the award winners and and the presence of such an august gathering here. Thank you very much for being here.
Thank you very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the category that everyone's been waiting for, because it really is about having set standards for yourself, raising the bar and pushing the quintessential envelope. Because if you made it to this category, you're already an achiever in every sense of the word. Any guesses as to what these award categories are? It's the Hall of Fame.
So the Hall of Fame will be jointly presented by Mr. Bajanka and Architect Karan Grover.
Can we invite on stage ITP Publishing Director, Mr. Greg Wilson, who has flown from Dubai tonight to be with us. Mr. Wilson will be presenting the Lifetime Achievement Award. Mr. Wilson, may we have you on stage as well, please? Can we also have Mr. Ajay Baldeva, Executive Director, Technical from Century Ply, on stage? The first category for Hall of Fame goes to an international candidate. Any guesses as to who's going to be the winner?
And the first international Hall of Fame goes to Pratisha Urukula.
So may I request you to come and use this podium? It'll be easier for you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my great privilege to give the first Indian Lifetime Achievement Award to Mr. Hafeez, Contractor.
We come to honor the Hall of Fame for India. I invite Mr. Anup Hoon, President, Century Ply, on stage. I now invite architect Noshir Talati, the winner of Hall of Fame, India.